Hello everyone. My name is Mohsen Rahman, and this presentation focuses on the growing challenges of AI-driven cybersecurity threats and how organization can strategically manage this through adaptive technology-based solution. This part is of my MSc Technology Management project proposal for BPP University. So today we are discussing a presentation. So I'm here to present my university presentation, or this is a part of my education. And let's introduction to the specialization. Let's start with the introduction to the specialization. Cybersecurity is a critical discipline in modern information technology, focusing on protecting system, network, and data from malicious attack, intelligence, or AI into both security attack, and the system has been shaped an entire landscape. While AI is significantly enhanced threats detection and automation, it is also introduced new ways cyber crimes and now using AI and machine learning to develop faster, smarter, and more adaptive forms of attack that traditional defense cannot be always recognized or stop. Another thing, the second part of my AI driven threats is the complex real world problem that currently we are facing. So the complex problem we face in the rise of AI powered cyber threats, these include automated phishing campaign, self-learning malware, and deep fake-based social engineering. Attackers use AI to analyze defense, learn from responses, and modify their strategies in real time. So traditional cybersecurity tools are mostly rules-based. Their rule are they rely on known pattern and past data. But AI driven attacks involves continuously meanings conventional defense quickly become updated. Like if someone attack on the on is on someone's system, so they know they protest against the instruction or the attack that is doing by the attackers. They resist the attack of the attackers, you can say hackers. Another factor is a factor of contributing to the problem. There are four main factors that make this issue too complex. The first one is automation of attacks. AI enable real-time adoption of malicious code and phishing content. The second, data privacy. It means that large dataset used for AI model training can be exposed sensitive or personal information. The third one is the skill gap. Many organizations lack cybersecurity expert with AI and data science knowledge. And the fourth one is regulation. Global cybersecurity standards have not kept pace with AI rapid advancement. So these are the basic four factors that contributing to the problems. So our next slide is implication of business and society. The implication of AI driven cyber threats are severs from businesses. There is an increase in both the frequency and population of attacks, leading to higher official losses. And like they're leading to the highest level of the crimes, and they attack on the business and the society as well, because the business is also disturbed with when someone attack on the business, and also these activities are involving the crime in society. So, for society, these threats erode trust in digital system and AI technologies themselves. If user loses confidence in data privacy and digital security, the adoption of emerging technologies will show dramatically. It means that if the user of the application, like I'm giving you an example, if I have a bank account and the I have an application and I rely on my bank account and my bank application. So if someone attack on the bank system and they hack the account of the public, so I never trust again on my bank. So that's why it's damage the society as well. The overview of context. Next slide. Is this problem exists within a rapidly evolving digital and technological landscape. Organizations across all sectors, especially finance, healthcare, and government, are adopting cloud computing, big data, analytic, and automation to improve efficiency and innovations. However, the digital dependencies also increase exposure to cyber risk. Many companies still operate with outdated or legacy infrastructure that cannot integrate modern AI based defense. At the same time, the lack of AI governance framework means there are limited ethical and compliance guidance for organization deploying intelligent security tools. Okay, so the next slide is a sufficient complexity of strategic technology management. This problem is strategically complex because it extends beyond technology. It involves organization, ethical, and regulating dimensions. Strategic technology management is required to coordinate all these aspects. Businesses must balance innovation with security, ensure that AI is implemented responsibility, legacy system, limited expertise, and fragment regulation make this not just a technical issue but a strategic management challenges require investment, leadership, and the long-term planning. So the next slide is proposed technology based solution. This is also a part of our AI driven threats. So a proposed technology based solution means to address these challenges, purpose implementing on AI driven cloud based enterprises resources planning system or ERP integrated with the automated and advanced analytics. Although ERP systems are traditionally used for ensure management, modern cloud native ERP platform can unify cybersecurity operations and analytics with the intelligence ecosystem. The AI component continuously analyze data, detect anomalies, and predict potential threats, while robotic process automation or ERP handle respectively monitoring or response tasks. So this approach ensures real-time visibility, faster decision making, and scalable defense capabilities. Real-world justification. So research support the effectiveness of AI-enabled ERP system. A 2025 Forbes Tech Council report found that organizations adopting AI-driven ERP achieved up to 25% faster decision making and 30% lower operational cost. So, for example, Siemens used AI analytic to reduce equipment downtime by 20%, and Unilever implemented a cloud-based ERP system to unify global operation and enhance supply chain eligibility. These examples show how intelligence and data-driven are not improve efficiently but also strengthen resilience and cybersecurity. Means they are saving their cost and also they are saving their money and the time as well. The next one is critical success factor. The first one is leadership and governance. The second one is infrastructure and investment. Third one is workplace and development, strategic, and the fourth one is strategic alignment. So what are the key challenges that we face? Is there are of course key challenges to address: resistance to change technologies, therefore strategies, change management program are vital. Vendor lack in organization must choose interoperable open system to mandatory flexibility. And high level project plan. So the high level project plan is, and the phase 1 is discovery and planning, the phase 2 is data preparation and model development, the phase 3 is testing and prototyping, the phase 4 is development and integration, and the phase 5 is operating and maintenance. And what's key milestones? Include the project charter approval at the month 0 to 5, vendor section by month 2, baseline model complexity, and the fourth pilot validation by month 6, and the full round off by month 7 to 5. So that is our project and everything we have done. These are the conclusion. In conclusion, AI driven cyber threats represent, and this is the reference. Thank you so much for being with us.